50 years ago, a family car arrived in America with a big idea: to move expectations. And drivers were ready for something new. In 1976, the Honda Accord debuted, offering something rare at the time: efficiency without compromise, quality without excess, and reliability you could trust. Accord helped transform the industry by proving that fuel-efficient cars could succeed in the U.S. market and reshape consumer expectations.
In the early 70s, there was the gas crisis, which had really changed the types of vehicles people wanted, the types of vehicles people expected. There was a time and an opportunity for something new, and the Accord brought that.
Through the decades, Accord became more than a car. It reflected American life. Built here, designed for here, driven everywhere.
Building it in America are critical to the identity of what Accord is. Accord really is sort of our heart, and it's our soul in America. So having it be a vehicle that's produced in America is something that's really special to us. Frankly, every generation of Accord has some sort of breakthrough technology or some sort of significant thing. One of my personal favorites is the 1986 Accord, which was the Accord with the pop-up headlights. I think that really pushed the boundaries in the market in terms of styling.
By 1989, the Accord reached a major milestone, becoming America's best-selling car and signaling a new era, one in which a Japanese nameplate claimed the top spot. With every generation, Accord introduced new advancements, raising safety and performance in the industry.
Our new in-car entertainment technology, things like navigation that maybe we take for granted now. But in 2003, when that came out on Accord, that was a really significant feature to offer on a mainstream mid-size sedan.
The Accord, for a very long time, has been a really fun car to drive. It's really engaging. It has, the soul of a sports sedan wrapped in this family sedan package.
There's something great about driving a sedan, hustling around corners, having something that can get you back and forth to work, get great fuel efficiency, but then also something that you can enjoy driving if you want a road trip or even just a pleasure drive. I think it's a combination of the fun to drive, the styling, the simplicity, and then also the value for money, right? So there's something really great that we're able to offer with our sedan products. And that's another hallmark of Accord over time, is value for money.
Today, Accord stands at the intersection of legacy and tomorrow, combining performance, efficiency, and innovation for a new generation of drivers.
Everything that a regular consumer looks at, they've nailed the brief.
As Accord moves on, it's going to kind of continue to grow up and become even more of a sophisticated sports sedan. I think you're going to see an increased emphasis on the sporty side of it as we go forward, and Accord continue to be something really exciting in the future.
50 years of Accord in America, built on trust, craftsmanship, and forward thinking. Eyes set firmly on what comes next, still chasing the road ahead.